If a building has an elevator and it goes to more than 3 floors, it has to have recall. Let's take 2 minutes to learn more about elevator recall. Elevator recall is an emergency control function. The basis of recall and the elevator information is going to be coming from ANSI A17.1, which is the safety code for elevators and escalators. What recall does is it delivers the elevator to a safe floor, which then makes the elevator available for the firefighters and fire department use to put out the fire. With recall, we're going to have recall detectors. Smoke detectors are the preferred detectors for recall. Where we see them typically being utilized, a lot of times are going to be in your elevator lobby of each floor. You have to have detection at the top of the hoistway as well as in the pit and in the machine room where activation of any of these detectors, recall will happen. Now, with recall, there are two different places for recall to go to. We have our primary recall level, which is called the designated level recall. The activation of any of the other lobby detectors, hoistway detectors, or machine room detectors that are not designated level will recall to the designated level. So that's how designated level operates. The other place that we have for recall to occur is going to be our alternate level recall. Alternate level recall is the secondary recall level for fire department access. Recall is going to happen when there has been the activation of the designated level detector, or if the machine room is on the same floor of the designated level and there's an activation there, it will go to the alternate level. This provides an additional safe location for the elevator to be recalled to. Some considerations to take into when we are looking at recall. We're going to have outputs from the panel to the elevator controller. However, the elevator company is going to be the entity that is going to program the recall operation. AHJ makes the decision on where recall locations are, and when we have recall, the firefighter's hat within the elevator itself will have an indicating flash.